I like
What do you like?
orange
and green.
What else do you like?
Say, I like orange and I like green.
Those are foods.
Those are the foods. What other colors do you like?
I like orange, green, orange, and green.
I like
Orange,
and I like
green,
and those
colors. See.
that you see. What?
I like brown. I like black, and black.
Mm-hmm.
I like black. I like white. Those are colors. Daddy.
Daddy.